dropped his guard. His corner told him repeatedly to keep his guards up.
Matapos durugin ang dating minimum weight world champion ng Thailand na si Sita, ay dumayo naman sa bansang Monaco itong Pinoy na tubong Davao City na si Ray Lorito alias Hitman para kasahan ang dating world champion din na mula South Africa na si Kusinati Joye para sa bakanting IBO World Light Flyweight title. Di basta-basta itong kalaban dahil sa bukod sa dati itong world champion ay ilang mga Pinoy na din ang nabiktima nito. Sa katunayan, sa huling laban nito ay isang Pinoy ang nakaharap at tinalo via knockout. Pero itong si Ray Lorito ay walang takot na dumayo sa bansang Monaco. Bit-bit ang kumpiyansa sa sarili na isang nakakabilib at nakakagulat na laban ang mangyayari. Uhaw na uhaw sa titulo itong ating pambato, kaya porsigidong lapain itong kalabang African. Ginanap ang laban sa Monte Claro sa Monaco. Undercard sila ng labang Golovkin kontra Usumano. Sa araw ng laban, pusong mandirigma at palaban ang bit-bit ni Kabayan, habang itong kalabang South African ay makikitang relax na relax lang. Tila iniisip na easy fight lang itong Pinoy dahil may kartada lang ito na 17 wins, 13 losses, habang 24 wins with 2 defeats naman si Kusinati Joye.
IBO Junior Flyweight World Title, Kusinati Joye, Little Southpaw.
Pero sa mismong bakbakan, unang round pa lang nagpakita agad ng tibay at tapang si Kabayan. Nakipagsabayan agad sa dating world champion.
It's a battle of the Southpaws. It is well known in boxing. The two Southpaws settle.
Yeah, it's a strange situation, Bumrani, because you got two guys fighting southpaw like this. They both put their right foot forward first, so they do tend to stand and do the right business.
I mean, when he began professional boxing, he lost his very first 4 fights.
Yeah, he came on well. He's like a...
And he lost all the first 4 fights, fighting at home, of course, in the Philippines. Kusinati Joye began boxing professionally in 2002 on the 28th of April at the Indoor Center, which he won. Takes the right hand now from Loreto.
Takes his time. He's such a cool man as this Kusinati Joye. You can see why he's a 2-time world champion. Lost, of course, in their title fight to Eki Badley in South Africa.
In 2011, on the 3rd of March, in Thailand, look at their records, you see that Joy himself also has been stopped. Round number 7 out in Mexico, stopped by Mario Rodriguez. That's why he lost that IBF minimum weight title. He beat Benazir Alaloy at the Emperor's Palace, stopping him in round number 9 at the Palace in South Africa as we come to the end of round 1.
I want speed now.
Head straight in there, get your rhythm. Kusinati Joye fits into the fight game so well. He looks like a...
Round 2, mas agresibo pa din ang South African. Mas sumusugod habang tamang counter lang ang ginagawa ni Kabayan.
South Africa, very interesting story on how he even began boxing, as he kept on going to the gym, carrying someone's bag, and then they said, okay, you're going to fight Ahmed Southpaw, and they introduced him to amateur boxing. They only fetch him on Fridays though, because they were teaching him how to jab. So get him on the Friday, show him how to jab, and then on Saturday he did good Southpaw. Look at how he's adjusted to Loreto's style. It's taken him half a round.
Yeah, brilliant story from Ronnie. And a humble little man. He's a really terrific little guy. And a fighter of note as he banks that body with the right hand.
He's got a reputation of being an upset king, Loreto.
So Loreto, the Hitman, is his nickname. I'm sure he's going to want that title as well. So he's got his hands full here. But Herbie,
Who is taking the fight to Loreto? He's trying to.
Pero sa mga huling segundo ay tinamaan ng solidong kanan itong South African at naalog ito. Buti na lang na save by the bell ang Aprikano.
The bell is gone. Join your hands.
wow.
Jab move, okay? First man, just jab move, okay? Okay, walk on his head. Okay. Okay, guards up, in, out.
Sa gitna ha, sa gitna. Pag jab, kaliwit lang kaliwit ha. Pag jab, boom, boom, ha mo? Bang, bang, bang ha.
Ray Lorento. Oh, let's watch the replay. Here comes the left hand over the top, right hand. Boom, big left hand on the button, catches Joy. Boom, another left hand. Right hand, left hand. Ooh.
Round 3, ang Pinoy na naman madalas ang sumusugod. Tila isang pating na nakaamoy ng dugo. Di na nilubayan ang kalabang South African. Gusto na agad tapusin ang laban. Kaya ilang segundo lang sa round 3, isang solidong kaliwa ang binitawan ng Pinoy alias Hitman na nagpatulog sa kalaban.
He's dropped his guard. His corner told him repeatedly to keep his guards up.
Ray Lorento comes, sets his man up with the right hand. Boom, big left hand over the top. Another left hand, waits for it. Boom, over the top. Whoa, it's all over by the shouting. What a big left hand there from Ray Lorento.
Panalo si Ray Lorito alias Hitman at nakuha ang bakanting IBO World Light Flyweight title.
You see the excitement in the ring there from the corner of Ray Lorento. And it's a big upset. Obviously a big upset for South African boxing, but a big upset for trainer Kyle Zainab and Sapati Honey, the manager, and of course the man himself.
Round number 7, he got beat. They clap hands for him as he's back to his senses, back on his feet. Umabere Kosinati Joy, but credit to Ray Lorento from the Philippines. I did mention that he's proven to be something of an upset king, and he's done just that here. It's a stunned audience here.
Hi guys, this is Mark Magnifico Magsayo. You are watching Channel Manoy.